Sixth Sunday of Easter. The peace of Christ. Peace is a gift and a task. Jesus says, "Peace I give to you." But it is not the peace that the world gives. The peace of the world is fought for and won by violence, by arms race, by dubious political talk, and oftentimes by heartbreaking legal battles. The peace that Jesus gives is received in hearts that trust God, hearts that cling on to the values of dialogue, love, forgiveness, and God's justice, no matter what. Why is this peace important? Jesus knows the travails that his disciples would suffer upon his death and departure. Hence, he wants to assure them of the much needed help and guidance. He now reveals to them the coming of the Advocate, the Holy Spirit, whom God the Father will send in his name. The Spirit will be their teacher. He will